Hi, this is Hillary from Blue, and let's check out Snowball iCE. Snowball iCE is a plug-and-play USB microphone for recording everything from instruments to vocals to podcasts, live streaming, or even dictation. As a plug-and-play USB microphone, Snowball iCE connects directly to the USB port on your laptop or desktop computer, and without having to download any other drivers or software, will work with your favorite recording program. Snowball iCE features a condenser mic capsule. A condenser capsule delivers the rich, detailed audio you typically find in studio recordings. Snowball iCE has also been tested by engineers and awarded Skype certification for the ultimate clarity on your Skype calls. Snowball iCE also records directly in front or in Cardioid for single source or single person recordings. Snowball iCE comes with an adjustable desktop stand, but also has a standard thread on the bottom for mounting to a traditional mic stand.